Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to show you my drawings. In this book, I have drawn some Disney princesses. Let's watch them and I'll give you a bit of information about them. This is Cinderella and she is my first drawing. And she is from the country France and she is 19 years old. And now I am going to ask a riddle about her to you. Why can't Cinderella play soccer? Answer: because she shies away from the balls. This is Rapunzel and she is from the country Germany. She is 18 years old and her movie's name is Tangled. She is Rapunzel. This is Snow White. It is believed that she is from the country Germany and she is 14 years old and she is the youngest Disney princess. I also have a toy for Snow White. She is Belle. It is believed that she is from the country France and she is 17 years old and her movie's name is Beauty and the Beast and she has a mirror. And see, I have a doll also over here. This is Ariel. It is believed that she is from Europe and she is 16 years old. I have a doll over here of Ariel and you can find her in two forms. In a mermaid and in a not mermaid like mine. That's why I have drawn to show you a mermaid one. This is Aurora and she is known as many names. Briar Rose, Sunshine and Sleeping Beauty and it is believed that she is from the country France and she is 16 years old and over here I have a doll of Aurora. This is Sophia the First and today I am going to sing a song for you. I was a girl in a village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I got to figure it out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. In a whole enchanted world that's waiting for me. I am so excited to be Sophia the First. And she is Sophia the First. This is Clover, Robin, Mia. And her sister's name is Amber and brother's name James. She is Princess Moana. She is 16 years old and I watched her movie and I liked her movie very much. This is Elsa from Frozen. She is known as a snow queen. This is Princess Anna and she is Elsa's sister. She is from Frozen and they both are from Norway. Anna, Elsa made him and he is Anna's and Elsa's friend. And he is Olaf. Da da da. He is Snowman. Da da da. Da da da. He is Kristoff. Again he is from movie Frozen and the four of them are from Norway. He helps Elsa and Anna to get their kingdom back. Seki, seki, seki. This is Tinkerbell and she is Peter Pan's friend. This is Alice. She is my age. What is my age? Any guesses? Yes, you are perfect. 7. And she is from the movie Alice in Wonderland. This is Jasmine and she is from Arabian Nights and she is 15 years old. This is Mulan. She is 16 years old and it is believed that she is from China. This is Pocahontas and I don't know much about her. This is Merida. She is 16 years old and it is believed that she is from Scotland and she is from the movie Brave or Braver. She is Tiana. I like my drawing. I loved her from Marionette. And if Mama Odie didn't tell Tiana to go to that girl before time, she would be a frog forever. In the next video, I'll talk about My Little Pony. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.